Senator Judge Rafi Tulfo for his availment of round two. You may proceed, sir, when you're ready. You have 2 minutes.
Madam Witness, how are government agency accounts being opened sa land bank? Ano yung proseso po?
Pakiulit po, sir.
Ano po yung proseso para yung isang government agency ay makapag-open ng account sa land bank?
Meron pong request na galing po sa kanila. At the same time po, meron din pong approval from the Bureau of Treasury na mag-open po sila ng account sa amin. So once approved na po ito, ay ma-open na po yung account sa land bank.
Very good. Now, sa kaso po ng OVP, sino po yung nag-open na account? Sino po yung pumunta sa bangko ninyo para i-open yung account ng OVP?
Ang alam ko po, nag-inquire po yung head po ng
Huwag
agency.
pong alam ko. Dapat sino po talaga? Sigurado dapat kayo.
Yung head po ng cash division.
Nila.
Opo.
Okay. Ano po yung mga presentang dokumento para magpapatunay na sila po'y authorized talaga na mag-open account on behalf of the OVP?
Gaya po na sabi ko nga po kanina, yung pong request nila na mag-open account, at the same time, yung approval po ng Bureau of Treasury na sila po ay allowed po mag-open ng account sa amin.
I don't know kung nasa niyo po yung question kanina. Sino po yung person na pumunta doon para magpresenta na ako'y from OBP at nagpakita ng dokumento at ako yung authorized person to represent the OBP for this account?
Yung head po ng cash division po ng OVP.
And what is her name again? Anong pangalan niya po?
Hindi ko na po ma-recall yung head po. Yung isa po kasi staff niya po yun,
Okay.
si Miss Queenie.
So pagdating niya po doon sa bangko, meron po siyang sigurado akong binabanggit ng mga taong point person na para pumunta sa bangko para mag-withdraw at sino yung mga signatories, etc. Tama?
Pakiulit po ang tanong, Your Honor.
Kasi po yung sa cash division, hindi mo na maalala ang pangalan ng tao ulit?
Yung head ng cash division, hindi ko na po ma-recall.
Okay, sige. Yung head ng cash division, pumunta doon ng open account. So, doon nagkakaroon na agad ng arrangement para sabihin sa inyo na ang pwede lang mag-withdraw ay si ganito at kasama si ganito.
Wala pong ganong arrangement.
Wala.
Wala pong ganon.
O dapat mayroong arrangement para malaman ninyo kung sino yung point person ng OBP para tumawag sa inyo at sino kayo nagde-designate ng point person to coordinate from the OBP to the land bank.
Yung po, sorry po, ang pagkaintindi ko po kung sino po yung inisyuhan nila ng cheque, ganun po ba?
No, sino yung taong nagsasabi sa land bank na ito lamang ang recognize namin na tumawag at the day of the withdrawal at ito lamang ang pwedeng pumirma sa cheque, etc. etc. There has to be one person.
As to authorized signatories po, aware naman po yung agency kung sino po yung mga authorized pumirma. Ngayon po, kung sino po yung...
No, sorry. You're listening but you're not hearing me. Sino po yung tao na nagsabi sa land bank na, hey, land bank, ito lamang mga tao ang pwedeng kumontak sa inyo, ang pwedeng mag-withdraw, period. Sino yon?
Ang pagkakalam ko po, yun pong sina Asik Ortonio po.
Sina
Tsaka po
ASEC.
sila po kasi yung officers po ng
So did they
OVP.
go personally sa land bank or through telephone lamang?
Sa pagkakaalala ko po, meron po silang written communication po
So how
sa
did you
amin.
know na sila talaga yun nasa written communication?
Nag-represent po sila ng mga IDs nila. Yung, doon po sa pagkakaalala
So
ko po,
they went to land bank personally
yes.
and then they presented documents to prove that they are that person.
Opo.
And
Kasi,
Go ahead.
sorry po, pwede pong
Go
mag-butt
ahead,
in.
ma'am.
Bali po doon, sa pagkakaalala ko po, sa binibigyan ng dokumento, meron na rin pong photocopy ng mga IDs po nila.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Madam Witness.
Thank you, Senator Judge Tulfo. Senator Judge Pangilinan is recognized for his round two availment. You may proceed, sir, when you're ready. You have 2 minutes.
Thank you. Yung cheque na winidraw o pinisente sa inyo, December 20, 2022, tama? Ang date?
Opo, December 20,
At-
2022.
Kinuha yung pera on the same day, December 20.
Opo.
So, kung sabi nyo kanina, unusual yung malaking halaga. Unusual din, o usual ba yun? Yung ganung halaga, same day, naka-date, same day din i-withdraw? Ganon.
Bali nga po,
Mabilis ba yun?
may prior notice po sila, ang agency, na meron silang magkakaroon po sila ng ganong encashment. So as to
2 days
date-
before?
Opo. So, yung pong December naman po kasi, pwede naman po nilang gawin yun on the same day. Kasi po, pag December, merong regulation naman po ang Bureau of Treasury. Kapag po December, hindi na po natin siya inihintay ang 24 hours or to 48 hours na ano po.
Yes. So,
na
but if
grace
you
period.
combine both, the huge amount, which is unusual, and the same day dated check
Transaction.
and the same day withdrawal, is that usual?
So, tingin ko naman po, usual naman po siya.
So the only thing unusual is that it is a huge amount, which you've never experienced in your
Yes,
32
Your Honor.
years.
Opo.
Okay. And so tinatawag sa'yo 2 days before kahit hindi pa handa yung cheque, in other words. No?
Hindi ko na lang po
Oh,
alam
kasi
sa
2
side
days-
nila. Opo.
2 days before, oh yeah, pero posible no, na 2 days before, December 18, 17, hindi pa nahahanda yung cheque, pero ihahanda nila, pininotify na kayo.
Opo.
Okay. Maraming salamat. Thank you.
Thank you, Senator Judge Pangilinan. Senator Judge Ontiveros, for the final round, for your last 2 questions, I believe, or no more? No more? If there are no other interventions or interjections from the Senator Judges, the presiding officer would like to excuse you already. Ma'am Violeta Constantino. Thank you very much, ma'am, for your time. Salamat po sa inyong kooperasyon. Magandang umaga po. Mananghalian po muna kayo dyan bago kayo umuwi. Yes, Senator Judge Pangilinan.
Quick manifestation because I'm receiving a few text messages
The
about...
gentleman may proceed.
Thank you. About the non-disclosure by covered transactions. We just have to distinguish, para sa interest lang ng mga nagtatanong, ang covered institutions na hindi pwede mag-disclose ang mga bangko ng AMLA records. Pero ang AMLA mismo, hindi siya, at least the position of the impeachment court, is not covered by the confidentiality of records.
That
So
was what the
so that
that was what the
clarifies.
chair said earlier, and that was
Yes.
contained in the ruling of the court.
Yes. Thank you, Mr. Mr. Presiding.
Thank you. With the permission of the parties, it's 11:42, so that we cut clean. We can pause for lunch and resume at 12:15 for a 30-minute lunch break. Ano?
Your Honor, before anything, just a quick manifestation, Your Honor. Your Honor, if I may be
Counsel for
recognized.
respondent is recognized.
Mukhang naiwan po yata ng witness natin itong certification. If I may just turn it over.
Yes. Kindly give it to the counsel to the panel of
Your
prosecutors.
Honor, may
and to
we
the
know what
witness.
is the content of the
Yes.
document? Thank you.
Based on popular request, 12:30 then. We resume at 12:30 for the next witness of the prosecution in the person of Ms. Nenita Camposano.
That's okay with us, Your Honor.